I want to show you the standard way of reinforcing a staircase. Just pay attention and you'll learn something new in this place. Once you have completed the placing of your starter bar and you have done the concreting on the ground, you tie it separate from the bottom. What do I mean? Do not tie this starter bar on the ground. You tie separate both the main reinforcement and the distribution, and the bottom reinforcement you separate it with a bench. But in this case, I used biscuit to separate it. That's what I use. And the projection for the starter bar is from here to this place is 1.2 meter. You see the way I used biscuit, it was better for me and it was stable. That's why I used biscuit, and I used double binding wire to hold it together. The same way, once you come to the first landing and you return it, and once it returns, make sure it projects up to 1 meter inside this staircase, the first from the first landing to inside the staircase, so that it will act as a top reinforcement. Look at it. Look at it. Tie it separately. Don't just go and tie it on the ground. Tie it separately so that it will be separate from the ground one. Are you seeing it? And you can separate it, put a bench, or you use a big biscuit to separate it. You see how strong as it is. It will be acting as a top reinforcement. That is what this one will also be doing. Acting, the starter bar acting as the top reinforcement, dragging it upward, and this one acting as the bottom reinforcement. The same thing you do once you come to this place and you return the rod. Make sure it proceeds 1 meter into the flying staircase. What do? You tie it separate also. Look at it. And separate it with a bench. I'm using biscuit here. Separate it with a bench. This will be acting as a top reinforcement to jack it up. When you go up too, you do the same thing. Don't go and tie it together. If the slab can go and return and come back, you do so. But if cannot go, you cut at a distance of 4 feet and let it project a distance of 4 feet too. Then you tie separately the main reinforcement and the distribution. Then you use a bench or a biscuit, as I do. This will also be acting as the top reinforcement. This is how to reinforce a staircase. Don't make mistake about it. Thank you for watching.